In today's video you will learn how to make a pie chart in Excel. So let's dive straight into it. A pie chart is a much more appealing way to present your data to your coworkers, for example. On the left side we have here a small data table for demonstration purpose. We now want to create a pie chart, which represents the sales of Q1. To do this, you first have to select your desired cells you want to include in the pie chart. Then make sure to click on the top index tab Insert. In the section Charts you will find a small button called Insert Pie or Donut Chart, so click on it. Here you can select between 2D, 3D pie or donut pie chart. In this case we choose 3D pie chart for demonstration. As you can see, Excel inserts a wonderful looking pie chart after this in our spreadsheet. Now we can adjust a few things. Let's begin with the position of the pie chart. You can simply click on a white space within the chart window, and by holding the left mouse button, you can drag it all around to a place where it fits your needs. Just release your mouse button after you are satisfied with the position. By dragging on the corner you can adjust the size of the whole chart diagram. You probably want to change the name of the pie chart itself. You can do this by simply clicking 2 times on the chart name, and then you are able to change the name to whatever you want to. Pretty easy, isn't it? We can make a few other design adjustments on our pie by clicking on the right side on the pencil icon called Chart Styles. Here you can choose between different style types, and as you can see, you can even change the whole color scheme of the pie chart. On the top index bar there is now a new tab called Chart Design, where you can choose further different looks, respectively styles, to make your chart even more appealing. You can make changes all the way as long as the pie looks the way you want it to. Of course there are many more options you could do with your pie chart, but we wanted to keep this video as simple as possible. Let us know in the comments if you were able to create your own awesome looking pie chart after this. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.